Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A52s. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A52s and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to scroll all the way down and then you're going to find here something say general management. After click over general management, you're going to find here something say date and time. In here you can see it can appear just like this, but here is not appear anything to change date and time. Here is the things by default it is automatically date and time. If you turn this off and then you're going to see say date and time. For example, also you can choose the time zone area you are. If you want to change date, you can go here this date and you can easily pick up any date. If you decide to change the time, you can easily choose any time you want and you can make it here done. If I go back completely and if I go now, you can see now it's appear new date and time, which is really quite interesting. So within this way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A52s. But here's the things why you need to turn on automatically date and time. Actually, this is by default Samsung made. If you are London and you want to Dubai, automatically your phone going to be appear that area time, which is very useful. So if you want to do that, you need to obviously turn on automatically date and time. So we're going to again return, go over there, and we're going to click here general management. And I'm going to click here date and time and I'm going to turn on automatically date and time. So within this way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A52s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.